Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good and great. And friends, it's so cold, so don't mind me wearing two dresses because I've layered myself today. It's so cold and it is really getting cold in the house also. I'm wearing socks and all in the house and started walking now. Can't walk without socks and all. It is so cold. So friends, today it's a most requested video where one of my subscriber wanted me to talk about kalonji seeds and nigella seeds, they are called in English. So I bought this kalonji seeds from Amazon. So I bought it from there and I don't remember the price because I had bought it long gone, and I would add sometimes in making tortillas for myself or just adding in some pickle and some tangy foods. You can eat them raw also, they are very good. So friends, today I'll be speaking about kalonji seeds. Those are nigella seeds. Let's get started. I've put pictures of the kalonji seeds and nigella seeds. I hope you see the container and get it what I bought it, and it's from Amazon. So this is how it looks. I've attached some pictures. So friends, this is how the kalonji looks like. I have showed you the whole package also, and these are the black seeds. They are very small seeds actually, and they are very good actually. They are little bitter in taste, but see, I like them to eat just like that, and it's a little bitter, but as you all know, I like bitter things. I like fenugreek seeds because they are bitter, and you can still see how lavishly I enjoy eating all these kinds of seeds. So friends, this is very beneficial even for diabetic patients, and when they have this early in the morning on an empty stomach, they can boil they can just soak the kalonji seeds in the boiling water and just sip it. They'll feel that their diabetes has gone down so much, and it improves the memory also, friends. So this is very good to give even to the kids. It won't harm them, but it's so beneficial and nice that children will improve their memory also. And if the kids feel that the seeds are very bitter, you can just soak it in the water and give them with honey also. So this will improve the children's memory so much. Like if a child has the problem of going into a test and saying that, okay, today was the test but I didn't remember this answer, if you just start giving this water for 2 or 3 days, the memory will be sharpened when they are writing a test. And this is very good even for asthma patients. They can just use it as a tea, or they can just use it in their diet, every diet. You can just sprinkle it on the foods, or when you're making tortillas, just put some tortillas and just roll it over there and just sprinkle 1 or 2 or 5 seeds, how much you can eat. Just rotate it, or when you're kneading the flour, just knead all the flour in the tortilla form and just eat it. It is so good. These seeds are very useful even for headaches. If you have a headaches and all, you can just soak it into any oil like coconut oil or anything, and just massage your head, and wherever you have headache, just put it, rub it on your forehead, and all the headaches just vanishes. Here is my coconut oil. See, you can see fenugreek seeds and black seeds oil. This is kalonji, which I had just applied some oil today in the morning, and yesterday I had taken shower and my hairs were all fuzzy. So this is the coconut oil. Now it is all like this because it's winter. So I just microwaved in the morning, and I've applied the same oil, and these seeds are very beneficial. Just see friends, these are the seeds which I'm talking about, kalonji and fenugreek seeds. So this is the oil which I apply, and if you have headaches, please apply this oil. You'll feel a good relief in your headaches also. And friends, if you have some joint pains, body pains, ankle pains, or any pain like in the joints, knees, elbows, it'll be so beneficial. But you have to use mustard oil in that, and just put some kalonji seeds, the nigella seeds, and just warm it up little on in the microwave, or on the stove top, however you feel convenient. And just when it's hot and warm, just take the oil and rub it wherever you have any joint pain and body pain. And if somebody is having blood pressure, they can just take this kalonji seeds with warm water in the early morning and take it for some days. You'll be noticing that the blood pressure of that person is going down very nicely, and the doctors can tell that the medication which you are taking can be reduced or not to be taken at all. So it's so beneficial even for blood pressure. If somebody has kidney problems like kidney stones and all, they can even use it when they have kidney stones, high kidney creatinine levels and all. It can be used also, but for that there's a different procedure. You'll have to powder it and mix it with honey and take it. So then it will be beneficial, because all these patients need a little extra, and not like us, like 5 or 10 seeds that will help, but this they have to use it at least like a half a spoon. They have to powder it and keep it in a mixie, and take every day little with honey. If somebody has teeth problems or gum problems, so what you have to do is just take these seeds and just take it in a container, add 1 spoon of yogurt, mix it in it, and just brush it with that, or massage your teeth with it and gums. You'll see that your teeth and gums have become so strong and nice. You can take kalonji seeds even with the water, and eat it with honey. Your immunity will become so boosted high, and you'll feel that you'll never catch a cold and all. It is so beneficial for not getting cold, coughs and all. It's so beneficial. And if you use kalonji seeds, these are nigella seeds, on a roasted pan, just roast it in a little flame, and when the flame comes, when you inhale that smoke, your sinus which was there, it will just vanish off all over again. And the nigella seeds and kalonji seeds can be even used for weight loss. You just have to take like 2 or 3 spoons of kalonji seeds, and just take one or two whole lemons or limes. Just soak all the seeds in that lemon juice or lime juice and keep it for 2 or 3 days. But you have to take it 2 times in a day. Like afternoon you can take, evening you can take, but you should not take more than 5 or 6 seeds, because they are very beneficial. And taking too much of seeds also can be too harmful. So everything should be in a limit. And the nigella seeds, kalonji seeds are very useful for doing facials also. And you all know that I love to do facials and all this. And I'll be showing you very soon how to do black kalonji seeds on the facial. I'll just soak it in almond oil, and I'll show you its uses. And when you have this oil soaked up in almond oil or coconut oil, this coconut oil which I just showed you, and I rub this on my skin also. If I feel on my legs, when I feel I've come out from the shower and I feel it's too dry, I just take little oil and I just rub it off on my skin, and I feel good there and then itself, and the moisture gets logged immediately. So it is so beneficial. And again, if you have cracked heels, it will help you in that also. Just regularly in the night when you're sleeping, just massage this oil with the seeds in it, and within 2 or 3 days you'll see that the cracks of your heels have already healed. Oh, how easy and nice it was to use about kalonji seeds. I just spoke today, and I didn't do much of cooking and all, but if you want to even use it in the foods, you can go ahead and use it in every food. Just put 5 or 10 seeds every day in your everyday cooking, especially now these days. And today morning I had kalonji tortillas, and I really loved it. And you saw in the starting of the video itself, I picked up 2 or 3 and I ate. I think I don't have it in my teeth stuck, so I have started liking fenugreek seeds. I've started liking kalonji seeds. Anything bitter, no friends. I just love to eat anything which is bitter. People say that, oh, I cannot eat bitter gourd because it's so bitter. Actually, bitter gourd I have showed you how to make also, and how I enjoy eating it. It's so good actually. So friends, yeah, this was a nice topic. One of my subscriber told me to present it. So I hope you liked my presentation, and whatever I've showed you about the kalonji seeds. These are even known as black seeds and nigella seeds. And if you want me to come with any other topic, and if I know many things, I'll come and share. And if you are happy, just like this video and share it with how many people you want, friends. And okay, friends, then take care, have a nice time. And if you have not liked my channel, please like it and share it and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.